it's me Kamar here. Now let's get into today's vlog. After a refreshing break back home, it's time to leave for China again. And yes, whenever we are leaving somewhere, first of all we focus on our packing. But since I started studying in China, when it's time for me to leave home and packing and all that stuff, my main focus is to pack my snacks, because I think for me especially, hostel life without home snack is not as same as it is. Anyways, you guys can see on the screen as well कि मैंने अपने जो भी favorite चीज़ें थी उनका एक huge stock collect कर लिया, and I'm gonna take it with me there. And that's what my packing was. A little sneak peek I shared about my packing with you guys in the last clip. My next important thing is to done my medical checkup and collect my medical reports for this. जब भी China travel करना होता है तो you can get your medical checkup done in China as well. But if you are willing to do it in Pakistan, for this you have to visit Chinese medical center, Chinese acupuncture center, which is located in Islamabad. Anyways, we were done with our medical checkup in the early morning, so reports collect करने में थोड़ा सा time था. For this we thought let's do some breakfast, और breakfast में we were having this लच्छेदार पराठे with chai, omelette and चने वगैरह. Now we're gonna try this amazing combination paratha with chai. Iman, please get aside. Oh my god, ये गरम है.
ये मैं हूँ और ये मेरी चाय है. वो उधर बारिश हो रही है. बारिश का मौसम बहुत अच्छा होता है. बारिश में पानी गिरता है. ज़्यादा बारिश होती है तो ज़्यादा पानी आता है, कम बारिश हो तो कम पानी आता है.
बस 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 बाबा, आपके लिए मेरे पास एक चैलेंज है. ये कैमरा अब आप पकड़ोगे और ब्लॉग करोगे, ब्लॉग बनाओगे. चैलेंज एक्सेप्टेड और नॉट?
यस.
ओके, हियर यू गो.
ये बुशरा है, ये मेरी बेटी है. ये बहुत छोटी है, छोटी बहुत है, लेकिन ये हंसती भी बहुत है और खाती भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. इसका बस जो है ना, हाँ, पता नहीं चलता कहाँ जाता है. खाना खाने से इंसान की सेहत अच्छी होती है, सर्दी कम लगती है, गर्मी में कम खाना चाहिए वरना पेट खराब हो जाएगा.
Once again, weather updates. बारिश अभी भी हो रही है, but still we are waiting for our report, and then we'll head towards our home. Let's go. In a very short time we got our medical results, and yes, all these things are happening one day before my flight back to China. And उस टाइम पे ऐसा हो रहा होता है कि सब चीज़ें आपके माइंड में मिक्स हो रही होती हैं. You are not getting everything right because आपको पता होता है you are living right within some hours leaving your home. और जितनी बार मर्जी आप लोग वेकेशंस के बाद वापस से हॉस्टल चले जाएं, especially when you are leaving your country, every time it feels like the first time. Anyways, it's all part of the journey. Now let's enjoy this and move forward. The next thing before leaving is to say goodbyes and spend some good moments with these beautiful people, and here we are. Here it's me enjoying some Pakistani snacks, और ये खाते वक्त मैं ये भी सोच रही थी कि दोबारा पता नहीं ये चीज़ें मुझे खाने को कब मिलेंगी, because this is the main thing I miss the most in China. Everyone I think can relate, whoever is living abroad, कि पाकिस्तान के देसी snacks हम abroad में कितने ज़्यादा मिस करते हैं. तो बस it's time for me to leave finally the next day, और ये कुछ एयरपोर्ट की क्लिप्स हैं. At this moment I haven't recorded a lot because I think this is the worst ever feeling at the airport when you are leaving your family, your parents, especially your little siblings behind, and even you guys can't have a look back once again because that can worsen the whole situation. Anyways, that's all part of the journey if you want to achieve something, so you have to go through all this. Now let's get back to a little sneak peek about this journey. At this moment we have done our check-in and immigration and all that stuff, but still we have like 1 hour before our boarding. So here I am enjoying my this sugar free Pepsi, पता नहीं क्या है, Sprite है क्या है, I don't remember right now. तो बस ऐसे ही देखते और टाइम को enjoy तो क्या ही करना होता है, बट मेरे साथ ऐसा होता है. I just try to keep myself calm, relax and make myself a little strong for all this process because it's time taking. टाइम के साथ साथ you get used to it.
अंधेरी सी बीते लम्हों को बुला के पल थोड़े से चुरा, बीते लम्हों को बुला के पल थोड़े से चुरा के, धीरे धीरे बहता जाए जाए पल, धीरे धीरे बहता जाए जाए पल, धीरे धीरे बहता जाए जाए.
Alright guys, it's time for the airplane meal and PIA के साथ मेरा track is not as much good, but still let's see what they are going to serve us today. In any of the flight, the most best part for me is the food, or it can be the worst as well because it all depends on the food what they are going to serve you. But this time it was a little better because they served us this Hyderabadi biryani. अगर मैं इस बिरयानी को रेट करूँ तो I'm gonna give it like 9 out of 10. और उसके साथ डिज़र्ट में हमारे पास है खीर, और खीर को अगर मैं रेट करूँ तो आई एम जस्ट गोना गिव इट 3 out of 10. सो आप लोग अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं उसके टेस्ट का. Anyways, it's time for landing in China. You guys can see how beautiful the view is from up here. But even along with this beautiful view, the vibes and feelings are little strange. But yes, let's go. Time to grab our bags, our luggage, and to get our immigration done, and then to leave for university. Alright, that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys liked, then tap like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because in upcoming vlogs I'm going to share my this journey with you guys, full of challenges and lessons, and also the Ramzan vlogs are going to very interesting for this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.